What's up guys, I'm Arslan from HSC Tech Review. Today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thank you so much. Let's quickly move on to the unboxing part. As you can see, the box of Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, it was going to be launched in the January 2019, but for some reason it got delayed and just came last month at the end of the February. Here you can see that it has 48 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera. The chipset Xiaomi is using in this mobile phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 and the battery is 4000 mAh, which is good news. On the bottom right corner of the box you can see the Redmi Note 7, the title, and the 6GB RAM and 64GB version. Okay, let me quickly unbox this and to show you guys that what we get inside this box. As we open this box, we can see this small box on the top of this one, and definitely there's gonna be the user manual inside or a sim tool, etc. as usual, and we can add the back cover as well here. I think that this part of the unboxing is quite boring because almost every brand mobile phone is have packed in a similar way. Okay, let me take out this mobile phone here. Wow, the color is actually nice. Mobile looks very solid. If we talk about the design here, this mobile has the thickness 8.1mm and the weight 186 grams. It doesn't give you the waterproof feature, but it can save you from splashes. It has 3 different colors: Space Black, Neptune Blue, and Nebula Red one. I guess the blue one is the best here. Here in the box we also get a USB-C type cable and a charger here, with not a very fast one though. This phone has 64GB memory, and yes, it supports memory card, so you can expand it up to 256GB. If we talk about the cameras of this mobile phone, there are 2 different versions, the global market one and the Indian one. This one which one I'm holding is actually 48 megapixel and 5 megapixel on the rear one. And there is another version which have the 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel. If we talk about the one I'm holding right now, it has 48 megapixel with f1.8 and 5 megapixel with f.24, the depth sensor one. On the front side it has 13 megapixel f2.2 camera. The video it support only 1080p with 30 frames per second. Also you can see on the back side there is a fingerprint sensor. If we talk about the battery, it has 4000 mAh battery. If we look at the bottom, we can find the USB-C type port and the speakers area. On the top we find 3.5mm port for your headphones. Let me quickly do the startup thing here. As you can see all the specs here, the name of the model Redmi Note 7, and the MIUI version is 10.2, Android version is 9, the RAM is 6GB here, the CPU is Octa-core, and the space is 64GB. If we talk about the screen of this mobile phone, by the time I was doing the review of this phone, I had the Xiaomi 9 in my hand as well, and I can tell you that in my next upcoming video I will do the comparison between Xiaomi Mi and this Redmi Note 7 because they both have released at the same time. So, but I can tell you the one difference I have found during this review, that this mobile screen is way much dimmer than the Xiaomi 9 one. And there are many other things as well which I will share with you in my next video. Hope so you have liked my video. If you have any question, please write in the comment area, and do subscribe my channel. This will help me to continue this channel, and give me any suggestion if you like. Thank you so much. See you soon.